This little monstrosity is my current project. First Arduino project I've ever worked on. So let me just go over what we've got here. First we've got the Arduino Uno, it's a Chinese clone. Then we've got an LCD screen, a 20 by 4. Here's a relay, and relay number 2. We've got these capacitive soil moisture sensors. I've got 2 of those. There's one over here. We've got a real-time clock and a temperature humidity sensor. Here, let me show the actual little itty-bitty sensor right there. Okay, I think I got everything. Oh yeah, breadboard, of course. Breadboard is just temporary. Got a couple little 10K capacitors in there. Pull up resistors, rather, not capacitors. So let me just show you what happens when you plug this in currently. Let's do that here. And it looks for the all the I2C devices, and then we've got these moisture sensors. I've got them set right now just so that they go turn on a relay at 11%, or turn off the relay above 11%. So that turned that off. Now if I let this go, it'll turn it back on. And then I've got this one over here. Go to that relay there. The idea being that the moisture content goes below a certain percentage and a water pump turns on to water the plants. I currently have it just set at 11%, so I could do it with my hands. And I need to recalibrate these things, obviously, because they keep throwing weird readings when they're off. So I keep having to change it, calibrate it even further. But I think I'm onto something here. I mean, the hardest part really is the wiring and the building a case for it. I 3D printed this, and I 3D printed this little guy, but it's just kind of like a first test, and this takes up pretty much the entire space on my print bed, so I can't really go much bigger than that. So I'm going to have to do it in pieces or something. I got to figure something out. Now I've also been given a shot at soldering. It looks really pretty from this side, but when you look on this side, you can see I really have no experience soldering. I just wanted to have multiple points for my rails. I needed 4 rails, 1 power, 1 for ground, 1 for data, 1 for clock for these I2C devices, and then to pull up resistors. So it works. It's not pretty, but it works. So, but that's for getting it inside of a box and getting a little more contained. And it looks a lot more complicated than it is. But the hardest part was the coding, really. So just Google everything, you get it down. So anyway, that's what I got.